The government of Meghalaya launched easylottery.in, marking the introduction of India's first fully digital lottery platform. The event that took place on the 10th of September 2024 was graced by the presence of Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, along with senior officials including the Commissioner and Secretary of ERTS Praveen Bakshi, the Director of Meghalaya State Lottery MSN Marak. The launch also marked the website's activation, offering a first prize of Rs 50 crore and promising a streamlined, transparent lottery process from ticket purchase to prize distribution. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma praised the initiative for enhancing transparency and professionalism in the lottery sector through digitalization. He emphasized that while lotteries are games of chance, Easy Lottery offers a fair and transparent option that can benefit both individuals and society. He also highlighted the growing issue of online games and illegal betting apps, stressing that Easy Lottery is designed to ensure fun while contributing to society through tax revenue, benefiting the nation even when participants lose.
In almost every aspect of our lives. हर सेक्टर में आप देखेंगे कि टेक्नोलॉजी का जो यूटिलाइजेशन हो रहा है और जिस तरीके से टेक्नोलॉजी हर सेक्टर में एक तरीके से एक डिसरप्शन फोर्स आज बन रहा है, तो हमें लगा कि लॉटरी में भी ये एक गैप, एक मार्केट में गैप है, जहां पे एक तरीके से ऑनलाइन सिस्टम जो है वो एक अलग तरीके से एक अलग ही मार्केट, एक अलग अपॉर्चुनिटी स्टेट के लिए, लोगों के लिए और जो कंपनीज इसमें भाग लेंगे सभी के लिए इसमें एक तरीके से टेक्नोलॉजी इंटरवेंशन से एक बहुत बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी निकल सकता है, ये हमारा मानना है. So we felt and we strongly feel that technology today has and is playing a very important, crucial role in almost every aspect of our lives. And hence we felt strongly that even in gaming and especially in lottery, there was a huge opportunity for the state government, for the people who want to play, as well as for companies who are involved in this sector. To really open up a completely new market and a new, completely new sector in a way to this entire opportunity that is there in front of us.